It's the only way that we can be safe. Continue to work on a solution. That's what I like to see.
Hi, Paxton. We heard London's in total lockdown.
We are all locked in this psychological prison of burning aloneness.
How's Linda?
She's somewhere in the house.
Is there some type of issue?
We are fine.
Not only is everything not okay, nothing is okay.
Linda said she was planning to end our thing.
Nobody wants to live alone.
For 2 weeks, we are locked together here.
You think I'm so happy and normal?
No, I'd never accuse you of being happy and normal.
Because I'm not!
On shaky ground.
I've been furloughed. Now there is literally zero purpose to my life. I'm going to get provisions.
We need milk, bread.
Wait, how many asses have you got?
Piss off. The nice people that I fired, they were fired because of me. It's not about the virus, it's about who I am and what I do for a living.
You fired them well.
Thank you.
Is that a glass of wine?
Yes, yeah, it is.
We have a situation, Kirsten. All the major department stores are closing. They want everything out in the next 4 days.
We have a problem. At Harrods, we have $4 million worth of jewelry. Someone's gonna have to pack the valuables up.
I believe you're a man who can be trusted.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I can be trusted.
It's gonna have to be someone that we trust, so that means inevitably it's gonna be me. What are you taking out of Harrods?
A diamond.
Since lockdown, I'm looking back on myself like that was then, and this is now. The bastards who told me to fire those people, they are bad. You and I are good, and good is better than bad.
You're talking about stealing a diamond. £3 million. Live wild or die, Linda. And I'm feeling.
Harrods is the most glamorous store in the world.
Welcome to Willie's Wonderland. Spend the night cleaning Willie's Wonderland, and I will pay to have your car fixed. Deal? You are officially on staff. Let's get the hell out of here. I can't stand to hear a grown man scream.
This place has a dark history. I know the bullshit story they told you. It's a lie. You're here to be a human sacrifice. Have you been listening to a word I've been saying? He's gonna die in here, but he won't listen to me.
The machines got out. Nobody is safe. Put your balls on, Evan. We're going to Willie's.
He's not trapped in here with them. They're trapped in here with him.
It's your birthday, and we want you to it's your birthday, so it's birthday time.
I enjoy a man of few words.
You must heed my words before I'm gone, my son. Now, you will be king. But the throne must pass to a male heir. Hakim, it appears you have a son who must be found.
Prepare the royal chamber. We are going back to America. Oh, hell no, Your Majesty.
Come on! Say it again.
again. It is so good to see you. Well, I be damn. Look who done come up in here.
Hey, it's Quentin Sannié and Ebola.
Famine and blood diamonds.
Nelson Mandela and Winnie.
Those hungry babies with the flies on their face.
Hey, that's too much. Now, you stepped over the line. Now, we won't be talking that kind of shit about the hungry babies. You're going to get out of my chair.
Politically incorrect.
So what you doing back here, Hotel Rwanda?
I'm back. Say it again. Feel good. Bang.
You know him, didn't you? Then you had that one little feeling. But you waved it away. You should have listened to that one little feeling. Just like I'm listening to you now. You can talk to me. I'm all a friend you got.
You're not exactly a department favorite.
Things probably changed a lot since you left.
You still gotta catch him, right?
Yeah.
Not that much has changed then, right?
I can assure you all we are taking a 24/7 all-hands-on-deck approach to these cases.
Guy's a shark. If he stops, he dies. He likes to drive. Probably has a decent car, maybe 2 high mileage.
You must really like my car.
I do. How's the trunk space?
Something I gotta know. How's a guy with the best clearance rate in the department work 15 years without a promotion?
Maybe I didn't go to the right church.
When I look in your eyes, what I see, it ain't good.
He knew all the details, but he wasn't within 10 miles of the killing.
Why is that? Why is that?
How's the trunk space?
What do you want?
I want to nail the bastard.
Who?
For all of the girls he killed.
I want to nail him too. Difference is, I'm doing it for me. It's the little things, Jimmy. It's the little things that rip you apart. It's the little things that get you caught.
Superheroes stand watch when danger closes in and save those in need. But they have one thing in common. They never show up in the real world. Until Ulysses. Every superhero comes to us with a purpose. We don't always see it at first. Because we don't always know where to look. Flora! What is this? I am Ulysses, born anew. Wholly unanticipated occurrences! Did you type this? He's a superhero. What? Do you have any enemies?
I'm here about the squirrel.
Danger lurks everywhere.
Is he?
He's flying.
Llevamos a 6 con un coche patrulla de escolta.
Hay demasiada niebla. Reducir la velocidad, por favor.
Buenas noches. Entregado y saldréis vivos.
¡Está quemando!
¿Quiénes son esta gente?
There was a change in the air. And the world was filling with excitement.
Who's hungry?
for someone to save them. So the universe sent us Ulysses. Can he talk? Okay, that's not really talking, but still!
I have a picture in my head of a place. I don't know if it's...
Welcome to Willie's Wonderland. Spend the night cleaning Willie's Wonderland, and I will pay to have your car fixed. Deal? You are officially on staff. Let's get the hell out of here. I can't stand to hear a grown man scream.
This place has a dark history. I know the bullshit story they told you. It's a lie. You're here to be a human sacrifice. Have you been listening to a word I've been saying? He's gonna die in here, but he won't listen to me.
The machines got out. Nobody is safe. Put your balls on, Evan. We're going to Willie's.
He's not trapped in here with them. They're trapped in here with him.
It's birthday time.
I enjoy a man a few words.
You must heed my words before I'm gone, my son. Now, you will be king. But the throne must pass to a male heir. Hakim, it appears you have a son who must be found.
Prepare the royal jet. We are going back to America. Oh, hell no, Your Majesty.
Come on. I'm back. Say it again. Feel right in this motherfucker. Feel good in this motherfucker. My whole hood in this motherfucker. Come on. I'm the king of this shop.
That's my hell.
Well, say it again.
It is so good to see you. Well, I be damned. Look who done come up in here.
Hey, escuta quem tem Ebola.
Famine and blood damage.
Nelson Mandela and Winnie.
Those hungry babies with the flies on the face. Hey, oh, that's too much. Now, you stepped over the line. Now, we won't be talking that kind of shit about the hungry babies. You're going to have to get out of my chair.
Politically incorrect.
So what you doing back here, Hotel Rwanda?
I'm back. Say it again.